Challenge accepted. Rolling. We're here to talk about a product that I can't live without, and it is Bobbi Brown's Art Stick. This lovely guy right here. So I'm a big fan of wearing color on my lips. It's a way to just get an instant pick me up, look great, look put together.
You are so the queen of the bold lip. I'm so envious always. I'm also more of a no makeup girl. I wear a BB cream, a concealer. I love my mascara.
She really does.
But my lip is always more neutral. What about the Bobbi Brown Art Stick do you love, and why challenge me with this?
Matte lipsticks have a tendency to dry you out. Halfway through the day, you're suddenly like, I'm parched. It's got a creamy kind of base to it, but it doesn't look shiny. You still get that kind of matte effect. Yeah, don't look, because we're gonna have a big reveal moment. Drum roll. Ooh, I like.
What do you think?
I'm so proud.
Like a proud mama.
So here we go. Oh wow. Guys, kind of butchered that. Can I rock this? Definitely requires some precision up here. Okay, I'm going for it. It's a really creamy formulation, which is really nice. This is definitely a bolder look for me, but something I love about it is that it feels super, super hydrating. And I usually don't wear this bright raspberry type shade, but I feel like it really works for day to night, and I'm kind of into it. So today I am wearing this pop of color, and I actually have a meeting this afternoon, so I wanted to make more of a statement, and I kind of feel like it's giving me some confidence that I can conquer the day.
Definitely pushed me out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I'm happy about it, yeah. So that is the product I can't live without, Bobbi Brown Art Stick Edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I do. Thank you for challenging me.
You're welcome. If you'd like to see any,
okay.
One more time, and buzzture. If you'd like to see us try any products in future, please leave a comment below. We would be so glad to do the work for you.
Bye.
Bye.